Hey everyone, Susie here from Adventurous Real Estate Investors. We are back at Oddly End, and in the background, you might hear an opera singer. Just adds to all of the greatness here today. In this video though, I'm going to talk about the greatest investment in the world. The investment in yourself. So before I jump into this video, if you like the channel and the content that Michael and I are putting out, please go ahead and smash that like button below and subscribe to our channel above. And don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified when we release new content. You won't want to miss it. All right, let's get into it. Yes, what I said before is that investment in yourself. The money that you make has to be invested back into yourself in order for you to learn and further your skills and acquisitions. So learning reminds you that you have come so far, but you have so much more to go. Growth is learning, maintaining what you've built is disrupting yourself consistently. And we want those disruptions to go on because that's where all those creative juices flow. And as the great Warren Buffett said, the greatest investment you can make is an investment in yourself. So to go to my escape plan tip number 6, here it is. So running your own business is nothing like working a 9-to-5 job. It's so important to learn what people are doing and what you want to do. So with education, you need some books. And if you can't afford a ton of new books, don't worry. Join your local library or try to buy used books instead. So seminars, if you can't afford seminars, find as many free online seminars and webinars as you can. There are thousands out there. So join the email list of your top 100 list. The people who you find influential, they're giving away a lot of free content that can help you grow. Conferences, again, there are so many online and some have a discounted price. And the thing is with the conference price, even if you just take away one thing from that conference, it'll help you move towards your $1 million idea. And that's what's truly important. So no matter the forward momentum that you have will fast track your success. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. We are all reading the same content and we're all giving the same content. You just have to find a way to absorb it in a way that works best for you. I can almost guarantee that no matter what you want to do, somebody else is already doing it. So find a mentor, listen to their advice, and take action on your dreams. Another great quote is, "Success always leaves clues," and that's by Tony Robbins. So I hope you found value in this video, and don't forget to stay tuned for the remaining videos that will follow. Until next time, explore more. Adventure awaits. Woo!